Hello everyone, this is Rubina. Welcome to my channel. Today we will make pudina chutney. This chutney can be enjoyed with dosa, idli, in the breakfast or whenever you like. And the good part is pudina is very good for your digestion. So let's see how is this chutney made. Add 2 tablespoons of oil into a pan and let it heat. Add a cup of gram dal, half a cup urad dal, some red dry chilies as per the spiciness you would like in the chutney, a spoon of black pepper, little hing. Let it fry and then add some ginger to this mixture. Let it fry until it becomes slightly golden brown and then add fresh pudina into this mixture and cook it for around 3 minutes. This is how it will look once it is cooked for 3 minutes. Now let it cool and then add this mixture into a mixie jar for grinding it. Before grinding, we will add a little salt, tamarind and some water to it. Once grinded, your pudina chutney is ready to eat with idli, dosa or whatever you would like to enjoy with. So that's how simple this recipe is. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you again.